Hi! In front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on clock icon at the top left corner. Following that, select this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you finished, click on ringtone, close and add, and tap on pre-installed ringtones over here. Then tap on apply next to the best one for you and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to pick a song from your smartphone and set it up, click on ringtone as well. But this time tap on choose local ringtone. Now select one of those sources. Click on the song that you wish to apply and save it by tapping on this check mark at the bottom. Then go back, click on repeat and decide which option is the best for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday or custom. If you wish to choose custom, tap on it and set up days of the week manually. Then hit OK. Now you can tap on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And last but not least, select label. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. Finally, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you wish to, and use the same check mark. You can turn it off completely by tapping on blue switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options in the pop-up. Then switch it back on by hitting the same, now grey one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, just hold it and hit delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!